What's up guys, this is Lord Eisen, welcome back to my channel. Dragon Ball Super's new manga arc, Granola the Survivor, has introduced the titular new character of Granola to the franchise, and he keeps getting more interesting with every new chapter. As the sole survivor of the Cerealian race, Granola was revealed to have an impressive array of powers, most notably his right eye, which gives the Cerealian Hulk-like enhanced vision. At first, Granolas Eye seemingly allowed him to be a pinpoint sharpshooter with his powerful finger blasts. However, in Dragon Ball Super Chapter 72, we'll learn more about the power Granolas Eye truly has, and it only makes him more awesome. Granola is carrying a serious grudge after his people were annihilated by Saiyan Great Apes under Frieza's command, and to get the power he needed for revenge, he used a pair of Dragon Balls hidden on Cerealia to become the strongest warrior in the universe. When Goku and Vegeta arrive on Cerealia and battle Granola, the bounty hunter floors Goku with a single finger blast to the back of the neck, which hits one of Goku's vital points. Only Vegeta's quick rescue with a Senzu beam gets Goku on his feet. When Granola finally battles Goku one-on-one, the Saiyan hero has to quickly pull out his full bag of transformation tricks in order to keep up. Even when Goku combines Super Saiyan God and Ultra Instinct, Granola is able to again take him down with a single blow to Goku's midsection, striking yet another vital point. As Granola explains, the combination of his natural Cerealian gifts and his power upgrade wish has made his right eye the sharpest in the universe. It sees all. Not only can Granola see with pinpoint accuracy across great distances, he can also see Goku's blood flow and muscle movements as they battle. That kind of sight allows Granola to analyze Goku's body and discern even the smallest weak points to strike. Granola is on a different level than just about any other Dragon Ball fighter we've ever seen. Akira Toriyama and Toyotaro are truly introducing some novel and exciting new elements to Dragon Ball with this Granola arc, and it's nice to see that the Granola himself is just as new and exciting of a warrior. As for how Goku and Vegeta hope to beat a warrior this strong, fast, and packing all kinds of unique powers, they only hope maybe making an ally out of Granola, rather than an enemy.